Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching my videos. Today I'm just going to do the binding. We have some A4 papers which is going to use for the colorings for my kids. So I'm just going to do the binding in this. In various things like books, any other size of papers, you can do the binding method. You can use the same method. Okay, just I prepared. It's around 25 pages I have in this booklet. This is a A4 sheet. I printed black and white for coloring my kids, for make the coloring. The front I just made some designs. Okay, this is the paper, and then I have another two set of sheet. This transparent sheet, same size, A4 size, same size I brought it. Okay, after that we have a fastener. This fastener we will just use to fasten the cable, and then we have a two-hole making machine, and then we have a tape to cover it all over, not all over, in the border. After that I have a scissor to just cut the tape. Okay, just we will start the process now. Just to make the alignment. Okay, take this paper also, put it here, take another sheet also, put it back side. So this is going to be like look like a binded book after I'm doing it. Okay, this will be very useful if you have a kids studying less than 5th grade, because nowadays a lot of homeworks they are giving such in such manner. They will have a lot of papers, you have to print it from the shop, and it will be scattered all over the place. If you do the binding, it will be arranged very well, and then you can keep it in the shelves. It looks nice, also using it very easy. So we will start the process now. Okay, just we'll take the small amount of paper, because I cannot put all the paper inside the cutter. Small amount of paper I'm taking. Okay, just make some marking. Do not go more deeper, maybe you cannot open the other pages. Okay, so little bit deeper, make some alignment, because I lost the measurement tool. Okay, so I am just putting it like this, so it can be measured well. Okay, now it's okay. 1 2 3. Once it is finished, after that I will make for the other one. I did not move the machine because I don't know the measurement scale, so I am doing it for this one. So it will be aligned, both will be aligned. Also I am doing it for this one. Okay, now this tool is moving. Now we will make it here. Now you can see that it's aligned both well. Okay, now I will use the fastener, just to put the fastener in the both holes. It's very easy method, you know. I used to do for my kids many times. Now I'm just making this coloring book for my small kid, so he's very interested in coloring, so he's wanted to make some colors. So I printed some animals and some flowers and all. So just put it in the both side like this. Okay, now the booklet is ready. Now it's like a book. Okay, it's like a book now. Okay, the end of this one, because this one always moving. If you see, it's always moving. Also it's very sharp, it will hurt. So what you have to do, this is a duct tape. This is available everywhere in the electrical shop. You can buy very cheap only. Just take the full, then do some just to cover this fastener. That is very important. That's the reason we are putting this one mainly. Okay, now I almost done. Put little bit extra on this side, so after that you can cut it. Make it, use your nail to make it perfectly sticking. So now this side is finished, so other side. use your nail and put all the edges inside, so it will go longer. So now both sides is done. I will use a scissor to cut the extra one. Yeah, done. It's like a booklet now. If you see, it's like a booklet now. Okay, this is the first page. Okay, after you are doing, you can make it like this, so it is easy to open. See, okay. That's what I told you. If you make depther, it will come in this area, so it will be very difficult to painting. That's what I always make in the edge of this one. So you should not go full deeper here. If you go full deeper, it will be the stapler will come here. So you should be always make some small black mark if you want. If you can't measure, make a small black mark so you can insert later. Now this is some plants, animals, snake, crab, lizard or a dragon, I don't know, tortoise, snake again, I think seal, crocodile, some kind of fish, maybe this is frog, beginning stage, lizard, another lizard, I think this is also one kind of seal or lion, sea lion, I don't know, some flowers, okay. See, looks very neat. This is not only for this one, you can make it for any books, any assignments. You can make it very cheap, very cheap. This will not cost you more than $2. Okay, thank you for watching my videos. Thank you so much.